Welcome to our family gear website. I will review our home and outdoor product. I will show best and top product in Amazon. One, makeup bag, cosmetic bag for women, black. Essentials. But what if I told you that you didn't have to fill any of those things? That's right, with the excellent train case, you can take your entire makeup mystery box collection and even reusable items with you on your next trip. Check out my recommendations for the best train cases for makeup and reusable items below. I am looking for a train case that is both portable and durable. Check out the reusable case. What? This stylish case comes in fun colors and is made with high-quality materials. It's perfect for weekend getaways or everyday use. Also, it's easy to clean, just wipe it off with a damp cloth. So don't wait any longer, order your case. What today? 1. What is a train case, and why should I use one? 2. Why you should buy a makeup train case. 3. How to find the best makeup train cases for your needs. 4. The benefits of using a reusable water bottle. 5. Tips on how to stay healthy during cold and flu season. 2. Kislee Makeup Box Cosmetic Organizer Makeup Suitcase. You are looking for a makeup train case that is both stylish and functional? Look no further than the Kislee Cosmetic Box from Muji. This case features 3 compartments to store all of your cosmetics, plus a built-in mirror for on-the-go applications. The sleek design makes it perfect for taking you to work, school, or on vacations. Place your order today and start enjoying your favorite beauty products wherever you go. 1. What is a makeup train case? Kislee Cosmetic Box. 2. How to pack your makeup train case. Kislee Cosmetic Box. 3. Why you need a makeup train case. Kislee Cosmetic Box. 4. Tips for packing your makeup train case. Kislee Cosmetic Box. 5. How to store your makeup in the train case when it's not in use. 6. Why you should never throw out old mascara or lipstick. 3. Travel Cosmetic Organizer with Compartments. Who wouldn't love to travel the world? Seeing new places and experiencing different cultures is a fantastic way to spend your time. But, one of the downsides of traveling is having to pack all of your belongings in a small bag. This can be incredibly challenging when it comes to cosmetics and cosmetics. Fortunately, there is a solution. With this travel cosmetic organizer, you can neatly store all of your essentials in compartments that are designed explicitly for toiletries. Now you can easily rest that everything you need is within reach and easily accessible. So go ahead and start planning your next adventure. 2. What's included? 1. Travel cosmetic organizer that includes a mirror and 8 compartments for cosmetics, brushes, and other beauty products. 3. Why you'll love it. This travel cosmetics organizer is perfect for those who are always on the move. This is a convenient place to store all your cosmetics. 4. Who needs this product? Anyone looking for an easy way to organize their beauty products will love it. Whether you're traveling or don't have time to remove things before you go out, this product will be a lifesaver. 4. Makeup Storage Organizer Box with Lock and Compartments. What is your makeup routine? Do you have a lot of products that need to be stored in an organized way? If so, this post will help you find the perfect organizer. This one has spaces for lots of cosmetics with room to spare. You can lock it too for extra safety. Makeup Kit Box. 1. Pick a box that is the right size for your makeup. 2. Add dividers to create compartments in the box. 3. Put all of your makeup inside and lock it with a key or combination lock. 4. Store the key somewhere safe. If you don't have a place to store it, get creative safely. For example, put it in a small jar and cover it with beads so only you can find it when needed. 5. Keep track of when you last used each product by adding stickers on the outside of the container. 6. Throw away anything that has expired. 5. All-in-one makeup bundle. Shani Gift Surprise. Shani, a leading manufacturer of beauty products with over 27 years in the industry, has just released its new gift surprise collection. This set includes an assortment of Shani products, all conveniently packaged into one box. The contents will be revealed when you open it up. You won't know what's inside until you see it for yourself. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on this exciting makeup bundle before it sells out. Makeup box with lock. 1. Introducing the all-in-one makeup bundle. 2. The Shani gift surprise is the perfect gift for any makeup lover on your list. 3. This bundle includes 10 different items that will give you a full face of makeup with just one purchase. 4. You get to choose from eyeshadows, lipsticks, eyeliners, and more. 5. Shop now while supplies last. 6. Order today before they're gone forever. Standard benefits. Get a makeup kit that has everything you need. Travel with ease and without the worry of spilling your cosmetics all over. 6. Cosmetic bags for women. Travel makeup organizer bag. A woman's cosmetic bag is her best friend when traveling. It can hold everything she needs to get ready, and it's easy to carry around. If you are looking for a new cosmetic bag to take on your next trip, check out these options. These come in various shapes and sizes, so be sure to find the one that is perfect for you. Plus, they're all affordable, so you won't have to break the bank. Keep reading for more information on each bag. 1. What is the travel makeup organizer bag for women? 2. How to pack your cosmetics in the cosmetic bags for women. 3. The benefits of using cosmetic bags for women. 4. Tips on how to choose a good quality cosmetic bag for women. 5. FAQs about this product and more. 6. Who can use it, where can I buy it, some other products that work well with this one, etc. 7. Toiletry jewelry digital accessories black. Crayon box makeup. It's not often that everyday objects become works of art. Still, this new jewelry line from digital accessories company Black proves that who can turn even the most mundane things into something beautiful. The collection includes pieces made from toiletry items like toothbrushes and soap bars and other everyday items like rubber bands and paper clips. Each piece is unique and stylish, making it the perfect addition to any wardrobe. So if you're looking for a new way to accessorize, be sure to check out Black's latest release. 3. Give an example of a product that the customer might buy from them. 4. Provide contact information for any interested customers to purchase products or inquire about their services. 5. Include a link to their website, which will have more information about the company and how it operates. 6. Offer some type of incentive for readers who purchase something from the site, i.e., free shipping. 8. High-quality acrylic makeup storage organizer box. Are you looking for a stylish and practical way to organize your makeup? Check out this acrylic makeup mystery box. Who can use this versatile box to store all sorts of items, from cosmetics to jewelry? It has a smooth and contemporary design that will look great in any bathroom or bedroom. Also, it's easy to clean, just wipe with a damp cloth. Place your order today and get organized. 1. Makeup storage organizer box is the perfect way to store your makeup. 2. The box has a clear lid so you can see what's inside without opening it. 3. It also comes with 2 dividers, one for more oversized items and another for smaller ones. 9. Travel makeup kit, makeup set for teen girls. Complete makeup set for teens, makeup kit for women, full kit, kit de maquillage para mujer, 27, in 1 makeup kit includes 2 PCS eyeshadows, 15 color concealers, makeup brushes set, lip products, primer, mascara and more in travel case. Makeup kits for women, girls makeup sets for women, makeup for teens 10-12, makeup gift set for women, about eyeshadow features 2 professional palettes with 56 total shades ranging from neutral mattes to shimmering metallics for versatile eye looks. 10. Jewelry and cosmetic boxes with brush holder. The traditional jewelry and cosmetic boxes with brush holders had a limited compartment space. The new design is much more spacious, which means you can store all your makeup products in one place. 1. Brush holder is a convenient way to store your makeup brushes. 2. You can use the jewelry and cosmetic boxes for storing jewelry or other small items. 3. The brush holder has 6 slots that are wide enough for most makeup brushes and tools. 4. It also includes a mirror on the top of the box, which makes it perfect for travel. 5. These boxes can be stacked on top of each other, saving space in your drawer or closet. 6. They come with 4 dividers so you can customize how much space you want to use, as well as 2 removable trays inside the boxes. Standard benefits. Store all your jewelry and cosmetics in one place. Keeps everything organized. Feel more confident when you open your closet to get ready for the day.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share our familygear.com.